once again to another property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. This time we're using the office drone and we're giving you a bird's eye view of this building located just one street back from the beach and 600 metres from Bowls Club and approximately a kilometre from town. Here it is, here is circled, great position right on Kingscliff Street. And as we go down to the street level, this is the position of the unit in the building, mid-floor unit, with windows on two sides. Stepping inside the property, go up into a long hallway. At the end of the hallway, there's a lounge room with ceiling fan, balcony with ocean glimpses. Another view of the lounge room from the dining room. Dining room is here. You've got windows on two sides, so plenty of ventilation coming in. Kitchen is modern, features plenty of cupboards and drawers, double pantry, space for a dishwasher, upright stove as well, internal laundry. Just out of sight there is a linen press as well. Going through the bedrooms, there's two bedrooms, both with ceiling fans, both with mirrored robes. And there's two bathrooms, one with a toilet, separate shower, and another one with a separate shower, bath and toilet. Unusual for a unit this size for it to have two bathrooms. And this is the access into the garage, easy access into the garage. It's got a remote control door. That's it there, adjacent to the building entry. Single garage, and also at the back of the garage there's a workbench or extra storage. Our last video here shows the unit building itself and how close it is to the beach. If you'd like to view this property, then please call the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au for viewing times, or visit our website for more photos and information at salesandrentals.com.au.